If you've been thinking about getting a new freezer, whether it's for extra storage, a garage setup, or just because your current one is finally giving up, you're in the right place. There are a lot of freezers out there, and picking the right one can feel overwhelming. So we did the homework for you. We looked at capacity, energy efficiency, reliability, and real-world usability to narrow it down to the 8 best freezers you can actually buy right now. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these freezers aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 8 is the Insignia Chest Freezer. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. This freezer gives you serious storage without spending much. It has 7 cubic feet of space, which is enough for around 20 loaves of bread, and all the frozen meals, meats, and treats you can't squeeze into your kitchen freezer. Plus, it has a convertible design. You can switch it between freezer and fridge mode depending on what you need. And it's garage ready. It can handle temperatures anywhere from 0 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. So whether it's sitting in a hot garage in summer or a cold shed in winter, it keeps working without skipping a beat. Inside, there's a removable storage basket up top for smaller items you want to grab quickly. And LED lighting, so you're not digging around in the dark. The front-mounted thermostat is easy to adjust, and the built-in defrost drain makes cleanup simple. It's also surprisingly compact. At 32 inches wide and 21 inches deep, it fits in tight spaces like a closet, porch, or garage corner. So if you're looking for a chest freezer that gets the job done without costing a fortune, the Insignia is hard to beat. Number 7 is the GEFCM-160-LWWW. This is the most compact unit on our list. This freezer is built for people who actually think about what could go wrong. At 15.7 cubic feet, it gives you plenty of room. It has the sliding basket system. Instead of digging through a pile of frozen stuff at the bottom, you pull the baskets out at different levels, so nothing gets buried and forgotten. Then there's the safety side. If the temperature climbs too high, you'll have a flashing exterior light and an audible alarm. So you know something's off without even opening the lid. And if the power cuts out, food stays frozen for up to 48 hours. It's also garage ready and can handle anywhere from 0 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit without breaking a sweat. There's LED interior lighting, an exterior power indicator, and even a lock with a key to keep things secure. One heads up though, this thing weighs 190 pounds, so you'll want an extra pair of hands moving it. So if you want a chest freezer loaded with smart features that actually make life easier, the GEFCM-16D-LWW is the one to get. Number 6 is the GEFCM-22DLWW. This is the largest chest freezer on our list. This model gives you a lot of room. At 21.7 cubic feet, you're gonna have room enough to stock up big and not worry about running out for a long time. But what's interesting is how organized it keeps all that space. You'll have 5 sliding baskets spread across 2 levels, plus 4 dividers you can rearrange however you want. Plus, it's easy to find stuff in it. It has LED lighting inside and an exterior power light so you can check it's running without even lifting the lid. And if the temperature ever creeps up, an audible alarm goes off to let you know something's off. It's also garage ready and can handle temperatures from 0 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. There's also a lock with a key, a defrost drain for easy cleanup, and it keeps food frozen for up to 48 hours if the power goes out. So if you need a chest freezer with the most storage space and the organization to match, the GEFCM-22D-LWW is the one to beat. Number 5 is the Visani VSF11US2A16. This is the best for everyday use on our list. This freezer works as both a freezer and a full refrigerator, and that's exactly what makes this one different. It has a convertible design that covers a wide range as well. In freezer mode, it goes down to -8 degrees Fahrenheit, and in fridge mode, it holds between 33 and 45 degrees. So it handles both jobs properly, not just halfway. Inside, 4 removable glass shelves make it easy to organize and clean. There's an electronic temperature control panel on the front, LED lighting so you can actually see what's in there, and a child lock for extra safety. It's also garage ready, tested from 0 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. And with automatic defrost built in, you don't have to scrape ice every few months. Adjustable feet keep it level on any surface. And the stainless steel finish looks clean wherever you put it, in the garage, kitchen, office, wherever. So if you want one unit that gives you freezer and fridge flexibility without buying two appliances, the Visani VSF11US 2A16 is the one to go with. And if you want to know the latest prices for the freezers discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 4 is the Hisense CFU-14N-6AW-E. This is the most energy efficient model on our list. This freezer gives you 14 cubic feet of storage without eating up half your garage floor. And the way it uses that space is what makes it stand out. It has sturdy glass shelves and drawers instead of one big open chest. So your food actually stays organized. You can see what's in there, grab what you need, and nothing gets buried at the bottom for months. It also switches between freezer and fridge mode with just one click. So if your needs change, the freezer changes with you. Then you're gonna have no frost technology, which means you're never stuck doing a manual defrost. It handles that on its own. Plus, it's garage ready too, and works in temperatures from 0 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. And if the door isn't fully shut or the temperature starts climbing, an alarm goes off so you know right away. It's Energy Star certified, so it's not running up your electricity bill either. So if you want an upright freezer that saves energy and works as hard as a full-size unit, the Hisense CFU-14N-6-AWE is worth a serious look. Number 3 is the Whirlpool WZF-79R-20D-W. This is the best for easy organization on our list. The first thing that makes this freezer worth paying attention to is no frost buildup. It handles everything on its own without babysitting. At 19.7 cubic feet, you're gonna have plenty of room. But what's more useful is how that space is laid out. You'll have a shallow wire basket, a full-width gallon door bin, a dedicated pizza pocket, and an ice cream compartment. Plus, there are 2 adjustable half-width door shelves. Everything has a place, so you're not just stacking things and hoping for the best. There's also a fast freeze mode, which quickly drops the temperature when you need to lock in freshness, like after a big grocery run. And if the temperature climbs too high, an alarm lets you know right away. Controls are electronic and right up front, so adjusting the temperature takes 2 seconds. LED lighting keeps it bright inside, and advanced foam insulation helps keep energy use down. So if you're done dealing with frost buildup and want a well-organized upright freezer that just works, the Whirlpool WZF-79R-20D-W is a really solid pick. Number 2 is the GE Garage Ready Upright Freezer. This is the best frost-free unit on our list. This freezer can handle whatever your garage throws at it. It keeps running steadily anywhere from 0 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit without skipping a beat. At 17.3 cubic feet, there's serious room inside. 4 glass shelves let the LED lighting shine through so you can actually see everything clearly. And slide-out bins at the bottom make grabbing stuff from the back way easier than digging through a packed freezer. The external digital controls are a nice touch too. You can check and adjust the temperature without even opening the door, so the cold air stays in. And if the temperature does start climbing, an audible alarm goes off right away. There's also a turbo freeze mode that quickly drops the temp after you load in fresh groceries, a key lock for security, and a 48-hour food protection promise if the power goes out. It's not the cheapest option on this list, but for a frost-free garage freezer this capable, the GE Garage Ready Upright is hard to argue with. Number 1 is the Frigidaire EFR-F694. This is the best overall on our list. It's a real freezer in a small space. It's 6.5 cubic feet, it fits where a full-size freezer never could, without making you give up actual storage space. And because it stands upright, you're not hunching over a chest freezer, digging around for something buried at the bottom. 5 shelves keep everything visible and easy to grab. It feels organized, which is something you don't usually say about a freezer of this size. The stainless steel look gives it a clean, modern finish that doesn't stick out awkwardly in a kitchen, office, or apartment. The door is reversible too, so you can set it up to open left or right depending on where you're placing it. And adjustable front legs mean it sits level even if your floor is in perfectly flat. Temperature control is a simple external dial, which is also not complicated at all. It goes down to -11 degrees Fahrenheit, so it keeps things properly frozen without any guesswork. So if you need a freezer that fits tight spaces but still does the job right, the Frigidaire EFR-F694 is exactly what you're looking for. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect freezer. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each freezer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.